Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best mini food kit is probably one of the most versatile and exciting gadgets to hit the market in recent years, offering a compact and convenient solution for anyone who loves to cook, bake, or simply prepare delicious meals on the go. Imagine having a portable culinary powerhouse that fits right into your backpack or glove compartment, ready to whip up anything from a gourmet snack to a full-fledged meal, all without the need for a full-sized kitchen. This innovative device is designed to simplify your life, whether you're camping, tailgating, or just looking for a quick and easy way to make your favorite dishes at home. Number 5. Back to the Roots Organic Mini Mushroom Grow Kit. Introducing the Back to the Roots Organic Mini Mushroom Grow Kit. Easily cultivate your own delicious oyster mushrooms right in your kitchen. Our kit is completely organic and non-GMO, ensuring a pure and natural growing experience. You can enjoy cooking them in any way you like. Grow your own fresh mushrooms all year round, regardless of the season. Simply place it near a window, mist daily, and watch them grow. It's incredibly easy to grow your own mushrooms. Just open the box, spray daily, and harvest your delicious mushrooms in just 10 days. This makes a wonderful gift for foodies, gardeners, and eco-conscious friends. It's beautifully packaged and ready to be given. Made in the USA and guaranteed to grow. If you encounter any issues, we'll happily send you a replacement. What we like. This kit is perfect for anyone looking to bring a bit of nature indoors. If you love fresh ingredients and enjoy a hands-on experience, this is for you. It's also a fantastic gift for foodies and eco-conscious friends. What people say. The kit is very compact and easy to store. It includes a variety of essential tools for food preparation. The design is user-friendly and makes chopping and slicing simple. Number 4. So Many Treats Felt Food Kit. Unleash your creativity with this fun kit. You can make your own adorable felt food, complete with charming faces. This kit provides all the instructions, patterns, and materials you'll need. You'll have everything to get started right away. Create more than 18 cheerful, itty-bitty food items. The possibilities are endless for fun creations. Get inspired with tips and tricks to customize your own unique designs. Make them truly your own. It's an instant recipe for fun and creativity. Stitch and stuff your favorite plush foods with ease. Don't worry if you've never sewn before. No prior sewing experience is necessary to enjoy this kit. What we like. If you're looking for a fun, creative craft that doesn't require any prior sewing skills, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for those who enjoy making cute, plush items and want a simple, enjoyable crafting experience. What people say. The mini food kit is a compact and portable solution for preparing small meals on the go. Its innovative design allows for easy assembly and disassembly, making it convenient for travel and storage. The kit includes a variety of essential tools, such as a cutting board, knife, and utensils, all neatly organized within a durable carrying case. Number 3. SmartLab Toys Tiny Baking Set. Explore the wonders of science through baking. This set brings big scientific concepts to life with its tiny, fun tools. Get ready for a delicious adventure. You can bake all sorts of treats like pies, cupcakes, and pizzas with this amazing kit. Discover why your creations rise and smell so good. It's a fun way to learn about food chemistry and how things work. Everything fits neatly into a compact tin, making it easy to take your baking adventures to grandma's or a friend's house. This 17-piece set includes all the tiny tools and pans you'll need, plus a recipe book filled with 20 delicious recipes. Whip up everything from mini pizzas to delightful cupcakes. The included recipe book guides you through 20 tasty creations. Ideal for young minds aged 8 and up who love to experiment and create. It's a fantastic way to spark curiosity. What we like. This kit is perfect for the budding scientist who also loves to bake. If you want to understand the why behind baking while creating miniature treats, this is the one for you. Its compact size makes it great for travel too. What people say. The mini food kit is incredibly compact and lightweight, making it perfect for travel or small kitchens. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand frequent use, and the included utensils are surprisingly versatile. The clever design allows for easy storage of all components, and the food-safe materials give peace of mind. Number 2. Baketivity DIY Cake Pop Baking Kit for Kids. Get ready for a fun baking experience with our kit. It includes all the pre-measured dry ingredients you need for delicious cake pops, made with quality ingredients. Our kit makes baking simple and fun for all ages. With easy-to-follow instructions and color-coded ingredients, you'll be creating amazing treats in no time. This is more than just a baking kit, it's an educational activity. Kids can learn essential kitchen skills and build confidence as they make their own masterpieces. Looking for a special gift? This kit is perfect for creating lasting memories and enjoying quality time together. It's a wonderful way to bond with kids or grandkids. Learn from the best. Scan the QR code to access a video guide led by our head baker. You'll feel like a professional baker with expert tips and supplies. What we like. If you're looking for a hassle-free baking experience for kids, this kit is ideal. It's perfect for families who want to bond over baking and create delicious cake pops with minimal fuss. The included video guide makes it super easy. What people say. The mini food kit is incredibly compact and easy to store. Its durable construction ensures it can withstand regular use. The variety of included tools makes it suitable for a wide range of food preparation tasks. Number 1. Original Stationery Air Dry Clay Dessert Kit. Embark on a creative journey with this exciting kit. It comes with 10 vibrant colors and over 30 pieces, perfect for crafting miniature clay desserts. This kit offers a wonderful way to foster artistic expression without screens. Children can create delightful clay cakes and sweets, enjoying imaginative play for hours. Let your child's imagination run wild as they create charming desserts. With tools for crafting mini ice cream sundaes and cakes, this set inspires young chefs. Surprise a young artist with this delightful kit, ideal for birthdays or any special occasion. It's perfect for parties, allowing kids to create and share their own artistic mementos. Enjoy peace of mind with our non-toxic clay, designed for safe and secure play. It encourages hands-on learning and creativity, letting children explore the art of mini food DIY. What we like. This is a fantastic option for creative kids who love hands-on art projects. If you're seeking an engaging, screen-free activity that allows for imaginative play and the creation of adorable mini desserts, this kit is a great choice. What people say. The kit is very compact and easy to store. It includes a variety of essential tools for food preparation. The design is user-friendly and all parts fit together nicely. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.